Good morning, writers! So lately we've been writing a lot of our own stories down in our writer's notebooks. But do you guys ever feel like you just don't know what to write about? Well, all writers feel like that sometimes. In fact, a lot of writers use strategies to generate ideas for what they want to write about. Writers often think about moments when they've felt strong feelings. Then they can use these moments to write stories. Can y'all remember a time when you felt an emotion that was so strong? Do you remember what that emotion that you were feeling was? Well, today I'm going to show you how we can use a strategy to think of ideas for our stories. So I'm going to think of an emotion and I'm going to put it on the whiteboard here. So now what emotion do you think I should choose? It is so hard to decide. So let's take a look at our chart that we have in class. So how are you feeling today? Now, I know that we're not doing this at the start of class right now, so the how are you feeling today doesn't really matter, but these have a lot of emotions on here that we can choose from if you're ever feeling stuck, okay? So let's look at some of these. You think I should do confused? How about sad? Or maybe hopeful? That might be a good one. But I think today I'm gonna do excited. I just think that that sounds fun today. So, on this side of my two-part thing here, I am going to write my emotion, which is excited. Okay. So, even though there are a lot of emotions to choose from, I'm just going to choose this one for right now. So I'm only going to focus on excited. Now, on the right of this, so this part over here, I'm going to put moments where I have felt excited, where I have felt so excited about something. So now I need to think of times when I felt excited to put over here. And that is so hard sometimes to remember moments when you felt excited. But let's do some thinking. Well, I was definitely excited when I was 12 and my sister was born. So why don't we put that? So, sister, her name is Riley, was born. Okay, so there's one. Now I'm going to think a little bit harder. When was I excited? Well, I remember being so excited to go to Six Flags after I graduated high school. I went with all my friends and I was so happy. So I'll put that. Okay. And then let's just do one more for right now. I just adopted a new pet. She's a bunny and her name is Olivia. So I'm gonna put, as my last one, I was so excited to adopt Olivia. She is my baby. Okay. Oops. Alright, so I have 3 moments here in my life when I have felt so excited. So, did y'all see what I did here? I decided what emotion I would do over here. I chose excited because that's what I wanted to talk about today. And then I picked out times where I remembered being excited. And now that I did that, I have 3 new ideas for my writing that I've generated. And so when we do this, it can be a great tool if you're sitting down to write and just can't think of anything to write about. Just choose an emotion and then remember times when you felt that way. And if I choose if I choose a feeling and I can't think of any memories, then I can just go back and choose a new emotion. And it's not that hard. And it's so convenient because as writers, sometimes we just get stuck. So, I want y'all to go in your writer's notebooks and just choose an emotion that you want to write about. And then right on the right side, I want you to put some memories that you associate with that emotion. Thank y'all.